Hello students, this is Rachna Pandey. How are you all? Students, today classes we are going to discuss about the chapter number 5 in our geography classes. Okay? And the chapter number 5 is major domains of the earth. And the chapter number 5 is major domains of the earth. In this chapter, major domain of the earth, today we will discuss about continents, and in continents we already discussed about Asia. Okay, so today topic is Europe. Domains of the earth. Students, in this chapter, in our previous classes, we already discussed about continents, and in continents we discussed about Asia. And today we are going to discuss about Europe. Okay? Europe is much smaller than Asia. The continent lies to the west of Asia. The Arctic Circle passes through it, and it is bound by water bodies on three sides. Look at the map of the world and look at it. Okay? Now, the first point in Europe is much smaller than which continent? Much smaller than Asia. Asia, okay? यूरोप एशिया से बहुत हद तक काफी छोटा कॉन्टिनेंट है. And the next point is the continent lies Europe. You can also say that Europe lies to the west of Asia. Students, in your book you can see the figure 5.1 and you can also see the directions Europe in your figure 5.1. Okay? Now, the third point in Europe is the Arctic Circle. Okay, the Arctic Circle passes through Europe. Okay, and the next point is the Arctic Circle passes through Europe, and the next point is Europe bound by water bodies on three sides. Europe bound by water bodies on three sides. Europe three sides से water bodies से घिरा हुआ है, and you can see these information in your figure 5.1. Okay, in your book. Now friends, the next point is Europe in So friends, I hope you all clear these points. The first one is Europe is much smaller than Asia. Okay, and the next point is Europe lies to the west of Asia, and the next third number point is the Arctic Circle passes through Europe. Arctic Circle pass करता है Europe से, and the last point is Europe bound by water bodies on three sides. Europe three sides से water bodies से घिरा हुआ है. Okay, so I hope you all clear about Europe. Students, you all clear about Europe and the points of Europe. Now we are going to discuss about Africa. Okay, now I am going to do this. The next continent is Africa. Africa is the second largest continent after Asia. The equator or 0 degree latitude runs almost through the middle of the continent. A large part of Africa lies in the northern hemisphere. Look at the figure 5.1. You will find that it is the only continent through which the Tropic of Cancer, the equator and the Tropic of Capricorn passes. Okay, and the Sahara Desert, the world's largest hot desert, is located in which continent? Is located in Africa. The continent is bound on all sides by oceans and seas. Look at the world map figure 5.1. You will notice that the world's longest river, the Nile, flows through Africa. Notice where the equator, the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn passes the map of Africa. Now we are going to discuss about Africa deeply. In Africa, the first point is, it is the second largest continent, okay. And we all know the first largest continent. The first largest continent name is Asia, and the second largest continent name is Africa. Now friends, the second point in Africa is the equator. Or 0° latitude runs almost through the middle of the continent. Clear? The second point is clear. The equator or 0° latitude runs almost through the middle of the continent. And the next point is, in Africa, students, there are so many points. A large part of Africa, we can say also that Africa lies in northern hemisphere. Africa lies in northern hemisphere. And the next point is, it is the only continent. Means Africa is the only continent through which the tropic through which the Tropic of Cancer the equator and also the Tropic of Capricorn, pass. Okay, it is the only continent through which the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Equator and the Tropic of Capricorn pass. ये एकमात्र ऐसा कॉन्टिनेंट है जिसके थ्रू द ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर भी पास करती है एंड द इक्वेटर भी पास करता है एंड द लास्ट द ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर ऑल्सो पासेस थ्रू अफ्रीका.
Students, you all can see that is the map of Africa continent, and this map you can see the top of the map the Tropic of Cancer, and the middle of Africa continent you can see the equator, and the lower portion of Africa map we can see the Tropic of
Now clear, students?
okay.
Hope you all clear. Now I am going to remove these points and then after I will write next points related to Africa continent. The Sahara Desert, the Sahara Desert world largest hot desert. Hot desert is located in Africa. Is located in Africa. Okay. The Sahara Desert was largest hot desert is located in Africa continent. And the next point, the continent is bound by ocean and sea. Okay, अफ्रीका कॉन्टिनेंट घिरा हुआ है ओशन से एंड ऑल्सो सी. Okay, and the next and the last point is world longest river. World longest river. World longest river. The Nile flow through Africa. Clear, everyone? All these points in Africa, all clear? Beta, you can also see all these points in your map, and the map 5.1. Okay, you can see the Nile River, and you can also see the Tropic of Cancer, the Equator, and the Tropic of Capricorn in your map. Okay, so I hope you all clear. Students, I hope you all clear Africa. Okay, so students, today our class is over. We will continue the chapter number 5, major domain of the earth, in our next classes. Okay, so thank you class.